Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies of the most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, then stay tuned to find out more. Good, welcome back. The Square Elephant is an off-grid container accommodation with wood-fired hot tub on the pristine fynbos covered mountains near Hermanus in South Africa. This elegant tiny home is built from a single 40-foot shipping container. The container sits on a pier foundation made from fired clay bricks. The cabin can accommodate up to 4 guests and comprises 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area. The main bedroom contains a double bed with bedside electrical outlets. The second bedroom contains a double bunk bed designed for adults. The bathroom is fitted with full-size shower, a toilet, and a wash and basin. The kitchen contains a stove, a fridge-cum-freezer, cutlery and cookery for self-catering. The dining table has seating space for 4 people, and there is a comfy lounge with a sitting nook. There is an additional seating on the covered deck with amazing 360-degree views of the pristine environment of the site. The home features laminated timber floors which give the home a stylish modern touch. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial design of the home. The container walls are exposed and painted gray. The interior of the container spaces are painted white to make the spaces look brighter and spacious, helping to kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. From the open-plan living, folding glass doors lead onto a large outdoor deck ideal for barbecues and intimate dinner parties. This cabin is completely off-grid and electricity is supplied by solar power. So while the water is heated by a gas and hot tub heated with wood. This is a self-catering getaway environment for couples or groups. The covered deck is our favorite space of the house. Which part of this amazing residence appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.